Hi guys, I'm starting my vlog today, and China's back. Look, it's China. So, I'm also with Mark. Don't flip people off, brother. I hate you. And I'm with China and my brother. China, my brother. And I'm watching SpongeBob right now. Focus the camera.
You just want to sit there.
So, I'm just hanging out. My brother's keeping an eye on China. You're on YouTube, China. Is the camera?
Off the camera.
No. See? My brother's taking care of China. China's a cute little doggy. Aw, you like your little brother. Little sister. Hello. Yeah, God. And so, we are just hanging out today. I'm sitting right here by China. And my brother just farted. That's disgusting.
I'm sorry.
She's wagging her tail now. She'll lick you, but I don't care. She licks me. China's so nice today. What is she doing? Look. I smell it. I'm hanging out with China.
Can I flip off the camera again?
No.
Camera, stop looking at me. Can I flip off the camera?
Ow, it scratched me. No.
Can I now?
No. No. I just got licked by China on my knee. She wants to sit here, brother. Oh. She wants to sit here. So I'm just hanging out with my day with China.
My day?
Don't flip off the camera, brother. Don't you dare.
I'm not flipping it off.
I could see you.
That's my regular finger. Know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Well, I'm just hanging out with China and my brother.
I'm sorry, Chino.
I'm hanging out with China and my brother. So we are just
Can I flip off the camera yet?
No! You're not allowed to flip off people on the internet.
Your face looks ugly.
Shut up.